Nga, I thank Norman for introducing me. Yan na, alam ko yung story namin is about growing spiritually. First, pag-focus na kita natin na growth. Anong growth? Pag-grow, this is one thing, one essential component or sa mga pagkabuan na hindi rin yung mapupungan. Yes, bisan mga tali rin mag-grow height, pero natutubunan and all God's people are growing. Hindi na natutunan. Tanan ng mga taong Ginoo, tanan ng mga taong na mention na Bible, they all grew up. They are all growing up. So, what are masuk up? Alright? Okay, so let's move on. Principle 1. Yan ang principle 1 na ito, growing spiritually. Why do you think so? Mga Krista. Kaya nung naibubutan na principle number 1, ito, growth.
I actually remember very regards to that. Once Amanda stops growing, he starts dying. There it will be let's say, very literal. Pwede kayo apply spiritually. Pwede kayo mga countries like kung ano sa country, maka-reach na ganito yan kahit kaniya. Let's say, ano ito, height of its power, yung kasikat, yung everything, maano na talaga yung master pag-die. So, kita, spiritually, we really need to grow. Okay, ano?